We're looking at Orangotango. This is the percussion part, right? So for the most part, you're going to have this rhythm. We're going to first count it in 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're counting eighth notes, right? So you actually come in after 1, 2, 3, 4 measures of rest, right? So you wait 4 measures of rest, each one counting 4, 1, and then you come in 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if you actually feel it in 2, the way it was written, you're going to have to think 1 and 2. Right? And it's good to get used to that rhythm. Now, if you look at measure 26 going on to 27, you have that rhythm 1. Now let's dissect what we just did. So you got 1 and 2 E and 3 E. Now if we go back to counting that area, which let's just call it section B in rhythm, and you count it in 4s, you're thinking 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. Again, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 3, 4. Now going back to counting it in 2s, 1 and 2. 3. Okay? And then you go back to the same pattern. Later on in the piece, towards the end of the piece, you have a reiteration of what we just did, right? You're still doing that rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and right? And if you count it in 2, 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 69. I think a sound just distracted me. So it's B, 1 and